Welcome to the topic series. We're talking about replacement parts for the 510 structural goggle series of products from Paulson Manufacturing. The goggle lenses for the 510 series are replaceable. The 510 structural series are a high temperature lens, and this lens is hard coated on the front, anti-fog coated on the interior. The anti-fog coating is a permanent coating. This lens is easily replaceable in your goggle. We also sell replacement strap assemblies. These are the silicone strap assemblies, model 510-SS. This is just the replacement silicone strap. Should it become torn or worn, you can replace just the strap. Model 510-SSA includes the quick release buckle assembly on your goggle. It makes it easier to replace the silicone strap if you buy it with these accessories on it, or if you've lost one of your parts or pieces, you can buy this as a complete replacement. For the elastic strap models, we have these also in all of the different designs, with just as the strap, with the strap and the buckle ends on it, or as the strap with the quick release function so that you can quickly attach your goggle to your helmet.